name's Andrew Pearson. I'm from London in the United Kingdom. The reason I came to get my teeth done was so that I could eat. As I've grown older, my social circle is now based around restaurants and evenings out rather than pubs or clubs, football. And I was just not enjoying my food anymore. So I came to get my teeth done so that I could enjoy my food and enjoy eating again. I believe I had 2 extractions. I had 7 teeth prepared, ready for crowns, and 7 implants into my upper jaw, and then a 12 unit bridge onto the upper jaw, or full upper jaw restoration, yeah, and 2 crowns on the bottom jaw. Attila, the dentist that carried out the work, personally, I think he's a magician. Very, very professional, very quick at what he does, caring, understands, he's patient. I was, say, over the moon with him. This is 5 days. 5 days. I was eating steak after 7 days. Absolutely fantastic.